Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we're going to explore what is better, a rye Manhattan or a bourbon Manhattan, right? Manhattans were traditionally made from rye and it's kind of switched over to bourbons. But it's all about what do you like better, right? Do you like rye whiskey or do you like bourbons? Whiskey better, right? So to make this comparison as fair as possible, what I have is some Old Ezra 7-year aged bourbon at a 58.5%, 117 proof barrel strength. And what we have on the other side is a Old Ezra 7-year rye. And it's 57 and it's at a 114 proof, right? So this is as close as I believe I can get to comparing rye versus bourbon, right? 7-year from the same company to another 7-year from the same company. So we're gonna first make a rye Manhattan, which were the story is this like 1880, I think is when they go back to, and there's more than one story on who invented it, right? The most interesting one is it was invented by Winston Churchill's mother, Lady Randolph Churchill, but who knows? Everyone wants to take credit for everything, right? So first we're going to start off with 2 ounces of rye. One ounce of a sweet vermouth. Two dashes of aromatic bitters. 1, 2. We're going to add some ice all over the counter. And we're going to stir. The idea is to get it good and chill and dilute it a little bit. Now we're going to strain it into our glass. Typically you would garnish this with a cherry, but because this is a tasting of sorts, or comparison versus tasting, to see which is better. And Old Ezra 7 is one of my favorite bourbons. It really is. But because I didn't want to waste y'all time on doing it twice, I've already prepared the bourbon version. Right, so we have to the right, on my right, is the bourbon, and this is the rye. Let's try rye first, since rye is technically the original way. It's a good, strong, but you know, I guess you can really look at this as almost as a martini-ish type drink, since it's with vermouth. So, unlike an old-fashioned is made with sugar, right? So the sweetness for this, which is very similar to an old-fashioned, is it comes from the vermouth, right? So let's try the bourbon version. I think, let's go back first, because I was going to say I think the bourbon is better, but they're close. It boils down to what you prefer better, rye or bourbon. Because they both are good, I may lean more on the bourbon side, the bourbon version, because my preference is bourbon over rye. But you get no closer of comparison to see which you like better than this, right? Same company, same year, almost exact same proof. This has a little bit more, but anyway, but cheers, man. This was good. It's so close. Honestly, it really boils down to what you prefer, right? And maybe a different rye would give me a different result, right? As in maybe a more sweeter rye, I guess. I don't know. But rye versus bourbon, for me, and only me, bourbon wins by a little bit. But I wouldn't be mad at either one of these, to be honest with you, if I ordered it. All right. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.